Hey everyone, I'm Steph from Sitemate. Meeting minutes are crucial contract management documents that may be used in court. Poor documentation and communication of these minutes can lead to contract disputes, delays, and cost overruns. Dashpivot solves these problems by allowing you to record, access, and organize meeting minutes from anywhere on any device. It ensures properly organized and reliable minutes, providing a record of contract progress, issues, risks, and changes. In this video, I'm going to show you how Dashpivot can help you keep all parties well informed and aligned. In Dashpivot, you can create meeting minute templates from scratch or choose from our public template library, which offers many ready-to-use options. To find a suitable template, I'll run a search at the top here. As you can see, we have two ready-to-go templates, including one specifically for safety. You'll be able to preview the templates before adding them into your workspace, and they are fully customizable once they have been added into your account. You can easily create a meeting minute record in your team folders. A standard minute template includes fields such as the meeting date and time, the facilitator, and tables for agenda and discussion items, including spaces for attachments and photos, separated into the different topics such as administration, safety, design, etc., with the option to add in actions underneath if required to. Then at the end, attendees can be scanned on using the Scan Sitemate ID feature. Once saved, the form will be shown in a timeline view which is sorted by the date that was input on the form, just like this. A register of all of the meeting forms is automatically generated and can be found in the register view at the top here. If you need to find and export these records, you can use the filters at the top of each column to search for the relevant forms, and then using the checkboxes on the left-hand side, you can further export the data as a PDF or CSV format. To ensure that important and unique information is captured and not duplicated, fields can be excluded from form cloning in the template editor. These options can be found in the field settings at the top left-hand side of each field, where you can then select on the relevant checkbox. Conditional logic can be applied to yes, no, NA questions and list fields to help display more fields depending on the answer selected, such as requesting additional information when notes are raised or when actions arise. Information captured can also be analysed further using analytics available at the team folder and home folder level. These meeting minutes can be created and submitted using our Dashpivot mobile app. The forms are organised in a timeline view just like on the web access. You can either continue working on existing forms or create a new one using the plus button in the bottom right hand side. The Dashpivot app also includes a contactless sign-in process. Simply click one button to scan workers on with their free Sitemate ID straight onto the form. This will then populate into a table their name, company, signature, date, time, and location of where they were checked onto the form. Workers scanned using the free Sitemate ID will also receive a read-only copy on their device of the form. Once completed, if you need to share a copy of this document with external parties and you don't have a computer to export it, you can simply use the Send as PDF feature, which will allow you to type in anyone's email address and send the form directly through the app. The mobile and tablet app works offline and is available for both iOS and Android devices, making this process even more accessible for all personnel involved. Dashpivot can be used for many other use cases, and data can be synced to external tools such as Excel, Power BI, and Xero, using our integration product Flowsite. With this, you can seamlessly transfer your meeting data from Dashpivot to your preferred data analytics or other tools. For example, some customers are using this integration to push their workforce sign-on data from Dashpivot to Excel for advanced analytics, looking something little like this, eliminating the manual data transfer step. Try Dashpivot for your meeting minutes today using our sign-up link and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.